How's it, you guys? It's your boy Jacob here, back with another video. Now, in today's video, I have a script for the game The Hood. Now, the script is called Krypt, and there was a little bit of an issue, I believe, with it, but I believe it's fine now. 6EX posted it, or it's been up. It's been up ever since the other time I did a video on it, and it's extremely good. Has lots of features, free to use, and from what I've known, a lot of people use it, so should be pretty fine. Should be fine for me to use and show to you guys. I've showcased it in the past, like I said. 6EX, no, I'm not do it, and I'm gonna say I'm recording right now. Okay, so let's go ahead into the server. So you just have to literally go into the server, Krypt Industries. Go into the, where is it? Oh, script information. They have like a key system, I believe. So I believe you have to find like a separate key every day. But that's whatever. It's not that big of a deal, and it's pretty simple to use, pretty easy to do as well. So if you guys want to shout out, make sure you go into the description below and buy some of the shirts in my group. Now, shout out to Mr. Lucidit, Corngirl, and Low Cal for buying some of the shirts in the group. I really appreciate you guys so much. I don't know if they're fans or not, but just I don't want to doubt people, because that group does make passive income on Roblox from just shirts, but I don't want to like make assumptions if that makes any sense. So let me just go ahead real quick and do excuse me, sir. So no, not that account. I want to do all my free hoodie. Let me just I dropped everything. I had to do something, and I absolutely, oh my god, I'm silly for that. Hold on just a second, guys. Okay, so all you have to do, like I said, is literally you just have to join the hood. Join the hood on the public server, and first I'm gonna wait for everything to load. Alright, so once everything's loaded in, or you think everything's loaded in, you go into your Synapse and you attach it. Then you go into the Discord server for Krypt, and you will find the script. You will find the script under script and information. You just do that and literally copy it. You went to here. Well, when it finishes injecting, you literally just paste it in there. Hold on a second. There we go. So it's gonna take a little bit to inject. Oh well, I think my antivirus is actually like stopping it. Oh wait, it's not. Okay. Once it's ready, close that. You just open up your Synapse, like I said, with the script, and execute it, and it should have like a little bit of a Krypt key thing pop up. Not a little bit, it's literally gonna have it. Then you go into the key system. You go into here, copy the key, go into your Roblox. You do this, paste the key, Control B. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. Copy it. Control B, check key, and it's gonna open up like a little animation, and you're literally gonna fly out of like the sky, like if you're an alien, which I think is extremely cool. I think that's actually like a pretty cool detail that they added. But it's whatever. Once it's loaded in, it has lots of features, guys. I'm talking the best one that I've used so far. I think literally target arrest is literally the best feature I've seen on this, like so far, in any other target arrests. You got extras, just play sounds, equip all. You got cash, you can change fast drop, fake the cash that you have, which is pretty funny. Custom fake cash, you can do like that. Cash ESP, bring cash, cash scaffold, cash float, fling cash, cash fling, destroy cash, and spin cash. You got lots of auto farms. You got fist, fast, shotgun, P90, auto muscle, auto box. You got auto buy with the Glock, silencer, everything that you want. You can teleport to a bank, boxing place, and stuff. So, well, they got me, but you can also do police station, because I want to go to police station, right? So let me go fire station. Wait, is the police station even a thing? Okay, yeah, it is. I want to become a cop, so I'm actually just gonna do this. Become a police officer. And you got lots of other features for combat and player. I'm not gonna go over those too hard right now, because I want to focus on the auto farm and the arrest feature. So the target arrest, you can target people to like kill, lock, unlock, taser, cash. So if you type, let's say 4, well, what's on 4N? for N, like that's their name, you can change. You can look at the amount of cash. So they have 305,000. My bad. And you can also do arrest if you like, and if they have a high bounty, it's going to do that, and then automatically arrest them, which I think that's actually pretty cool. You make a lot of cash from that. Now it's a little glitchy at times, especially because like what is this person, like what are they doing, where are they, literally dog water. And you can find like other people like cookery or whatever it is. Where's the reset? I think it's in player, right? Reset. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna reset myself. Then I'm gonna, when I spawn in, I'm gonna target cookery, or whatever, however you say their name, because they have the highest bounty. So you do arrest them. You do that, and it should knock them out. Then try to arrest them, but they left. You can also do I love, like you can arrest them as well. But it might be a little broken depending on, you know, there's a lot of factors that come into play. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I want to show you guys for the auto arrest. Now, for another part of the GUI, I want to show the auto farm. We're gonna see how much we can make in about 4 minutes. We're gonna do fast farm, and then we're gonna just leave it on, see how much we can make. So I'm at 1.3k, and we're gonna see how much we can make in 4 minutes. So now that can happen. You can get kicked from time to time because of that. But once that happens, you really you don't worry too much about it. You can just rejoin and auto repeat the process. You're not gonna get banned or anything. Okay, once you rejoin, you want to attach your synapse as soon as possible. It's going to inject, scan, whatever. You just execute it. Put the key in. Like I said, you have to go into the Discord server. That's the only not even the downside. It's just a security measure. Put the key in there, check the key, just like that. Extremely simple, extremely easy to use, and it looks really darn good. Like, I'm actually pretty impressed at the animation. Like, it's not like something extremely crazy, but it's definitely going over the top compared to other GUIs, you know. But yeah, like, I got me. It's the old Krypt, but it should open up the new Krypt. There we go. Then I'm gonna do the fast farm. I have 2 more minutes, so we're gonna do 2 minutes and see we're up 2.1k. So let's see how much we can make. Yes, I'm doing some stuff. And I made 1.6k in how much? A minute? That's actually pretty good. I almost made 2k actually. If there was more of the ATMs available, I would have made 2k already. And I got kicked again, but not to worry, because pretty much the video is already done. Like, there's really no reason for me to rejoin. It's like 30 minutes more. But yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, this will be in the description below. Shout out to Krypt Industries, or well, in 6EX, for this awesome script. I will showcase it more over time, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace.